In this video, I'm going to show you how you can come up with loads of video topics. Now, one of the biggest struggles as a content creator is coming up with content idea or video topics. And sometimes, we try to use everything around us for inspiration, but at the end of the day, sometimes we just lose inspiration. And that's why I like to use AI technology to trigger the creative aspect of thinking of new ideas. So let me show you how I usually find video topics. Now, just before we get into the video, make sure you head over to Jarvis.ai where you can get 10,000 free credits for the software that I'm going to be showing you in this video. So you don't need to pay a penny to start off with. You get 10,000 free credits and you can just try before you buy, so to speak. Okay, so here I am in my admin area. Let's go ahead, head over to the search bar, and I'm going to type in video. Okay, you can see there's a whole bunch of stuff that comes up. This actually helps you do every aspect of your descriptions and content creation and what's not, but I'm just going to stick to video topic ideas, and the description for this is brainstorm new video topics that will engage viewers and rank well on YouTube. So number one is kind of like, well, what topic should the videos be about? So here you kind of just want to put in your niche, so to speak. You teach stuff all about ranking videos. So ranking videos on Google, okay? And then you kind of want to say, right, what's the keyword that you want to rank for? Okay, so the keyword is ranking videos. And then the tone of voice. So I actually want this to be professional. So I'm just going to type in professional. Any tone that you can think of, you can actually put into the software and it'll do its best to create the content in that tone. So next you want to say, right, how many outputs do you want this software to create? How many versions of kind of like the video topic idea do you want this software to create? And I'm just going to go with 5, and I'm going to go ahead and hit generate AI content. Okay, so here you can see we've got all of this information in probably a matter of seconds. Let me just read out some of the stuff here. I don't think I'm going to do it all because it's quite a lot, but let's see how we go. So the first output is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of ranking videos using YouTube SEO? That is a fantastic idea. How to rank a video in YouTube search results by adding descriptive tags. The best techniques for getting ahead when your keyword is high competitive. Now, already I have 3 new video ideas that actually I might even use after this video. What is ranking and how exactly it works? List of factors that will affect your rank, keywords, backlinks from other websites, etc. The SEO process for improving rankings, SEO content strategy. Why use online marketing to improve your ranking? So I would actually only use 50% of this second output, but now I would use all 3 of these and 2 of these. So that's now 5 new video ideas that I've got. Which videos will get the most traffic from organic search terms? How to rank videos higher on Google and YouTube. What are competing YouTube channels for keywords on that may be a problem? Applying SEO strategies to improve rankings. So actually I would use 4 of these here. So now I've got 3 from here, 2 from here, and 4 from here, which is 9 new video. Okay, so next is 5 steps to get your video ranked before you publish it. How does the algorithm work? 2 secrets for ranking a video on Google when nobody else is talking about your niche. So again, I would use 2 of them. So now I've got 11 video ideas. And now the science behind YouTube SEO and how to rank your videos. What is the formula for ranking high in YouTube? How to get YouTube views fast with best practices or quality content. Video topic, Kate Spade handbags. Keyword, Kate Spade bags. Okay, so I'm not sure what the video topic is there, but I'll definitely use those 3. So what's that? I've got 14 new ideas that I can now go generate. So if I'm doing 1 video a day, well, that's like 5 days a week. That's like 2 weeks worth of content. If well, it's actually 2.5 weeks of content. So as you can see, just in a matter of seconds, I've now managed to generate 14 new ideas. As you can see, these sort of tools are so handy because not only do they give you a general idea of content creation, but I've got now 14 video ideas that I can even break down each of those, put it back into the software, or just use my own imagination and start coming up with all of these fantastic ideas. Now, with that being said, we have come to the end of the video, but like I said at the beginning of the video, make sure sure if you're going to try this software out, you visit trialjarvis.com to get your 10,000 free credits, which will save you from spending a single penny before you know if this software is actually going to be of use to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.